So Barclays just handed you your first credit card. Now what? Here's how to use it the right way so you can build good credit and avoid debt. Whenever you show up, start using your credit card regularly, but responsibly. This helps you build a strong credit score, which is important if you plan to buy a car, get a mortgage, or apply for a bigger loan in the future. Your credit score shows banks how eligible you are and when it comes to borrowing and paying back money. To keep your score healthy, follow this golden rule. Never spend more than 30% of your available credit. So, if your credit limit is 1,000, try to stay under 300. Keep your balance low shows lenders that you are in control of your spending. Next, make sure to pay off your balance every month. This helps you avoid interest charges, dodge late fees, and show that you are financially responsible. One smart tip: put small recurring purchases like your phone bills or any other bills on your credit card and then set up autopay from your bank account. This keeps your card active, builds your payment history, and ensures you never miss a due date. Using your Barclays credit card this way helps you build a strong financial future, all while keeping things simple and stress-free. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in next one.